Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own, R.E.P.O, R-E-P-O character on Dress to Impress. So to create a R.E.P.O, I'm just gonna say R.E.P.O, I don't care. R.E.P.O character. I'm not going to remove everything because it did take me a long time to figure it out. But first, I use this hat here. You can use whatever color you want, of course, according to your favorite R.E.P.O bot color. Select the metallic material, position the Y at 0, rotate nothing, and then scale it to 0.58. Then you're going to get this beanie, this cat beanie, and toggle it to no ears. Position the Y at 0.36, Z 0.42, rotate the X to 0.87 and scale it down to 0.64, and again add the metallic texture. If you want feet, it is optional, but you do need VIP for this. Use this hat and color it all the same in metallic. Position the Y at 0.18, rotate the X to 0.83, and then you are going to get the headphones for the hand. I guess you can use this for the feet as well if you'd like to. But again, color it the same. Position the Y at 0.26, rotate the X to 0.91 and scale it to 0.67. Then you're going to get this headband. Color it black in metallic. Position the Y at 0.33, the Z at 0.62, and rotate the X to 0.19. Scale it to 0.68. Also make sure you're wearing all black along with your skin tone as well. Then for the eyes, I use this headband in all white. Position the Y at 0.39, rotate the X to 0.65. Then use these earrings in black, the round earrings. Position the Y at 0.8, the Z at 0.47, and scale it down to 0.49. Then for the flashlight, I did use this ice cream. So select the ice cream here and color it this color in neon. And then the last is just in gray here. Position the X at 0.91, Y at 0.49, Z 0.16, rotate the X at 0.01, Y at 0.61, Z 0.42, and scale it the same for the flashlight. And that is it. That is how you can create R.E.P.O on Dress to Impress. You can wear whatever you want, of course. I just put on a basic sweater and leggings combo because that is not the main point of it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!